Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a highly sought-after product, the Elizavecca Cer-100 Collagen Coating Hair Protein Treatment. This treatment is designed to restore and nourish damaged hair, making it a favorite among those with dry or over-processed locks. The Elizavecca Cer-100 is a unique blend of collagen and ceramide that aims to provide deep nourishment in just 5 minutes. This rich, protein-packed formula is especially beneficial for hair exposed to intense heat or UV damage, making it ideal for anyone who frequently styles their hair or spends time outdoors. The treatment comes in a convenient 100 milliliters container, perfect for at-home use. In my experience with the Cer-100 treatment, I found it incredibly straightforward to use. After shampooing, I applied the treatment to my damp hair and let it sit for about 20 minutes while I enjoyed a relaxing bath. The consistency is creamy and easy to distribute, and I love the pleasant scent that lingered throughout my hair. When it comes to performance, this treatment exceeded my expectations. After rinsing, my hair felt noticeably softer and more manageable. The hydration boost left my locks looking shiny without weighing them down. I noticed improvements in my hair's bounce and overall health after just a few uses. Even in humid conditions, my waves remained intact and frizz-free, showcasing the product's effectiveness. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Cer-100 is affordable, usually retailing under $10, making it accessible for most budgets. Its nourishing properties and ease of use are significant advantages. However, some users have reported that the results improve with continued use, meaning the initial application might not yield immediate results. Comparing it to other products in the market, the Elizavecca Cer-100 stands out for its collagen content and affordability. Similar treatments often come at a higher price point without offering the same level of hydration and repair. In terms of value for money, I would say this product is a steal. Given its quality, the results, and the price, it definitely offers more than what you pay for. The build quality of the packaging is solid, and the product itself has a good shelf life if stored correctly. This treatment is user-friendly, with a simple application process that anyone can follow. Plus, it doesn't require any specialized tools or complicated techniques, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Regarding customer support, feedback from users indicates that Elizavecca is responsive and helpful, which adds another layer of assurance when purchasing their products. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It helps us bring you more amazing content and allows others to discover these great products too. For long-term use, the Cer-100 has proven to be reliable, with many users reporting consistent results over several months. This treatment is particularly suited for individuals dealing with damaged or dry hair, whether from coloring, heat styling, or environmental factors. In conclusion, I would definitely recommend the Elizavecca Cer-100 Collagen Coating Hair Protein Treatment to anyone looking to restore their hair's vitality. With its affordable price and impressive results, it's a fantastic addition to your hair care routine. If you're curious to try it for yourself, you can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thank you for watching, and feel free to drop any questions or share your own experiences with this product in the comments.